Oh, this belly. I have been sharing my creative ideas online for about 12 years now, which is it's crazy. Most people know me as an interior designer. Some people even remember like boho boots, sock bun days. Oh my gosh, the t-shirt scarf.
And then you can glue it or tie it and have fun.
Me and Joey filmed our first fixer-upper home, all DIY style. We've helped other people with their homes, some of them on super low budgets.
Oh my God!
Some of them for super famous people.
Oh my gosh!
We had a baby. We moved to an island and started our dream home, paradise fixer-upper. But was any of it real? Of course it was, but it was one side of my life. It's the side that I got up early for, got ready for, prepped for, shopped for, hired crew to film. Obviously that's not real life. So what I've come to realize over the years of talking about creativity and posting about living a creative life is that the real moments aren't in the polished edit or the big reveal where everything's perfectly placed. It's about all those moments around that, and it's about taking ownership over your life and making your life right now your dream life.
Hey, I'm taking a video.
And it went
This does not look magical.
Perfect shot.
Oh, there goes yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah.
How do you say cheese?
Cheese.
Oh, look. Look who it is.
Yeah.
Grandma Gigi, me, and TT. Look at little TT. When Grandma Gigi came to visit you as a baby, because she lived in New York and we lived in LA, Dada dressed up as like a chauffeur and picked her up at the airport holding a sign. And then she came here to our house and cuddled this beautiful moon baby.
Who's that?
That's Grandma Gigi.
That's Grandma Gigi?
I know, that was her when she was much younger, when I was born. Oh, you listened to her heart.
It's not even a real heartbeat thing.
I mean, you were pretty convinced. I'm setting up to have a little Zen time with a craft project that I've been wanting to do. Well, it's like a photo project since my, oh gosh, I'm gonna try not to cry. Since my grandma passed, which you guys know about if you saw our baby naming video. It happened literally like right before we released that video, so we dedicated the video to her. And it was a very smooth exit because we knew she was close and, you know, ready. She was very ready. And so I feel like it's such a gift when you get that time to say goodbye to somebody. And I got the opportunity to tell her that she, you know, had my blessing and that I wanted her to do whatever she needed to do to, you know, feel good and pass and all the things. So it was really a special experience that I got to do that. So anyways, you know, telling Moon all these stories about my grandma and just really wanting him to understand what an important person she was in my life made me realize, like, I really wish I had a visual representation of her. Let me show you what I'm thinking about doing and I'll tell you. She worked at like a professional faux finishing place. She would gold leaf things and do like eggshell finishes and of course the sponging. And so she gave me these little samples from the faux finishing place. I actually used to have more and I would keep it with like my crystals and stuff because this is real gold, okay? So I've chosen the pictures and I have all of these, like, these are actually wallpaper samples. Some of them are ones we've made or making or are never gonna make. But I just like the idea of having some color and pattern, and I'm gonna add some shapes. I was thinking maybe like a star. Her name is Estelle. Stella Star. Maybe like a star up in the sky of sorts, and use a little bit of this very precious gold leaf that she gave me to make the star sparkle a little bit. I think I'll collage again, but that was definitely the most I've ever cried during a craft project. One thing I've learned as a creative entrepreneur as we've grown our business over the years is that you have to learn how to collaborate creatively or creatively collaborate. I feel like it's like in an entrepreneur's nature to just like want to do everything, especially now that I am a mother and I am like wanting to apply myself to that role. I have really learned that you can't do it all.
Okay. Okay.
We are going to call my little sister, Tess. If you don't know who she is, you're new to our videos. She's been along for the creative journey of Mr. Kate in like so many ways. And we're working on a rug line. We're working on a rug line, which is so exciting and a lot of work because we want to make it the best rug line ever, obviously. And I want somebody to bounce creative ideas off of. I mean, Joey's great. But no, he's great. But my sister is like way more into the aesthetics of design.
She's way more chic than this guy.
Well, no, I mean, you have really good opinions, but I just want another creative voice. There she is. This is like, wait, I can't actually stand this angle.
Kate's worried about how she looks to you.
Yeah, because you know why? I don't know if you noticed, but I'm pregnant.
You look, I told you you look great.
Okay, I don't care
What
you say.
She doesn't care.
Well, the thing with this rug line, I mean, I mentioned it to you. Like, basically, we wanted to have the design, the best feeling rug underfoot, under face, whichever side you're putting down. But like more than that, we want the idea behind it to be like a movement. You know, it's like rug cuddle approved. It's like less like trend based, more forever based.
Basically, we need help like getting this project across the finish line, and we need you to help us do that.
So is it official that you're gonna help work with us again? Can I ask a serious question? Last time you guys worked together, it didn't necessarily go like that amazing.
Lee.
Are we sure we're all wanting to work? I mean, I want Tess to work.
Well, here's what I will say.
Okay.
We're older and wiser.
That's the answer.
Most fun I ever had doing any of this stuff was when I was like just doing or operating as close to the Mr. Kate model as possible.
This will be fun, and this is like that kind of like creative direction thing, you know, thinking of it like in its end point, like how are we styling this? Like how you are so good at thinking in that way, which is so important, because that's how like we need to think, because that's how it's going to be positioned to all these people too, is like, yeah, this may be a basic rug, but it's the best basic rug, and look how good it looks styled in these.
It's a basic bitch rug, bitch.
Hey guys, sorry, quickly interrupting this video because I want to do a little bit of housekeeping. Got to announce the winners of some of our recent giveaways. I know a lot of you have been waiting to find out who the winner is. So first up, we're giving away the Luna cabinets. It's available in a bunch of different colors. These are them right there, actually.
We love the Luna.
We love the Lunas. And the winner is Sutton Schreiber. Congratulations, Sutton Schreiber. We're also giving away that gorgeous Mr. Kate Tess wingback bed. Pop it up right there. Boom, that thing is awesome. This is our tallest, most luxurious bed. Elegant. And the winner of that is Soraya Chavez. Soraya Chavez, I hope I'm saying your name right. And last but not least, you guys all, of course, always win because you can use the code MrKate10 over at MrKate.com for your special viewer discount. So go check out the Mr. Kate products. We got a whole world of products that we've been working hard on. And if you like anything, feel free to use that code.
Thank you.
Thank you. We love you. Back to the video. The video.
Okay, wait. Drive your cars over to this side lane. I said to Moon, you get to pick what we do. And he said, I want us to wear crowns.
What are you doing?
And I thought that was such a good idea. And so we decided, of course, we had to make the crowns.
Can you push me in?
Mm-hmm. And we thought, we're also in kind of a little bit of like a cleaning mode right now. Call it nesting, call it, I don't know. But Moon rounded up a bunch of his toys. I have like a ton of broken jewelry, or like these really cool gigantic earrings that I never wear because they're way too heavy on my earlobes.
Oh, I love these.
So my crown's gonna be like broken jewelry, and then Dada's got a bunch.
I got all my random screws and,
Okay.
you know, the random box. That's what I'm going for.
So
it's like,
Joey's gonna make like a hardware cast off trash to treasure. All of them are gonna be kind of like found objects or trash to treasure. Let me get a rough measurement of your head, and then we'll cut it. I cut right here?
Two?
Oh, actually that worked. What are you imagining for the cars? Like,
I'm imagining for them like to be sideways, and one like it goes like sideways, and then like under here, which is like a tip.
oh, that would be so cool. Almost like a pile up. It doesn't, yeah, good.
It's so easy. Right there.
Yeah, that's good.
One more.
Yeah, let's see if 4 is enough.
Did it. Just perfect legs.
Remember how hot glue is so ouchy, okay? Believe. So if the green one was in the middle, and then the red, like that would be so cool.
Sure.
Okay.
There.
Yep. Thank you, sir. Why don't you pull out what you think's cool?
I like
You
this.
can stand up so you can look at it.
And I also like this pencil sharpener. Whoa, he has a lot of them. You need to blow on it. Fine, then put it in. That's up.
Oh, you know what else? Do you feel like being a little destructive?
Yeah.
Can you just like bend that off?
What?
The post. I don't want the post on it.
You want me to bend these things too, Mama? I'm literally working through the whole day.
Yeah, I think that's cute.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh. Well,
That's why I made it so we
thankfully
can
you
tighten
left
it.
the sizing open. With your head, you know?
Nice. That is awesome.
So cool.
Chris just came over for an impromptu photo shoot.
Oh, heck yeah. Oh, you good?
Oh, that's wonderful. I like that.